Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I wanted to make sure I shouted out Jeanette from Glory Creations. I've had this for a while and I didn't unbox it, but this is a quick unboxing so that you guys can see what beautiful work she does. And she does these creations from hand, and I'll leave all her description information. I'll leave all her information in my description box, but this is her card. And guys, this is what I have been waiting to show you all. This lovely headband that she made from scratch. I got the gray and black checkerboard. I also got one that's all gray, but she hand makes these with love, as you can see. And I had a little surprise in here, and this is another reason I wanted to make sure I shouted her out, because she also creates jewelry. So I wanted to show you the sweet surprise she put in here. I had no idea that she was going to give me something, but this is actually one of her handmade creations for her jewelry line. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. I love the color, Jeanette. Thank you so much for thinking about me and sending me this. And guys, definitely check her out. You'll love her work. It's very, very beautiful, the work that she does. And I just love these. These are adorable. Go on her website. She's got an Etsy shop, and you can see everything she does. So guys, thanks again for watching, and don't forget to check out Jeanette's YouTube channel and her Etsy shop. Link is in the description. Alright guys, thanks.